to LearnCity. My name is Praise, and in today's class we'll be talking about geometric mean. Now, if A, B, and C are three consecutive terms of a GP, which is called the geometric mean of A and B. It is called the geometric mean of A and B. Here we have our B to be root AC. B is equals to root AC. Now we have an example which says if x plus 3, x plus 8, and x plus 18 are three consecutive terms of a GP, find the value of x. So this is A, B, and C, where we have B is equals to root AC. So we have our x plus 8 to now be root A plus 3 times x plus 18. It is x. So we have our x plus 8 root x plus 3 x plus 18. Now, when we open this bracket, or better still, we can square both sides to remove the square root. So we have it to be x plus 8 all squared equals to x plus 3 x plus 18. So we have it to be x plus 8 all squared x plus 3 and x plus 18. So we have it to be x plus 8 x plus 8. We have it to be x plus 3 and x plus 18. Then we open the bracket. We have x squared plus 8x have plus 8x plus 8x plus 64. We have this to be x squared plus 64x plus 64. So we have, where we open our bracket, this is 16x and for the next part we have x plus 3 and x plus 18. So we have x squared plus 18x plus 3x plus 18 times 3. 8 times 3 is 32. Now 62. So we have this to be x squared plus 21x plus 62. So we have our equation to be x squared plus 16x plus 64 equals to x squared plus 21x plus 62. So we have x squared minus x squared plus 16x minus 21x equals to 62 minus 64. So this one will cancel this. We now have minus 5x equals to, okay, this is 24, this is 64. So we have here to be 0. So we have our x to be 0 over minus 5. We have our x to be minus 5. So here our x is minus 5. Now the next example says if we have 1 over 16 x, 1 over 4 y are in a GP, we have to find the product of x and y. Now we know that our formula is b equals to root ac. Now we only have we have 4 numbers, we don't have 3 numbers here, so we can just pick these 3 first, where we have x to now be root 1 over 16 times 1 over 4. Now here we can have it to be x equals to 1 over 64. 1 over 64, 16 times 4 is 64. Now root of this is x over, okay, we have square root, which is 64. So when we square both sides, we have this to be x squared equals to 1 over 64. Now we can easily just find the square root, so which is x equals to 1 over 8. We have our x to be 1 over 8. So we have this to be 1 over 16, 1 over 8, 1 over 4, and y. Then we pick these 3. So we can just have it to be 1 over 8, 1 over 4, and y. 1 over 8, 1 over 4, and y. So basically it is 1 over 16. We have equals, when we multiply by y, which is b, so 8 times c is now y over 8. So we have equals to y over 8, where we multiply 8 times c. This is now our a, this is our c. So we have it to be y over 8. So we have 1 over 16 to be equals to y over 8. Where we cross multiply, we have it to be 8 equals to 16y, and we have this to be 8 over 16 equals to y. So we have 8 here, 1, 2. We have our y to be 1 over 2. So we have our y to be 1 over 2. So when we multiply x and y, our x is 1 over 8, and our y is 1 over 2. So that will now be x times y, now be 1 over 8 times 1 over 2. Our xy will now be 1 over 16. So for our geometric mean, the product of x and y is now 1 over 16. And this brings us to the end of our class on geometric mean. And in our next class, we'll continue on geometric progression, where we talked about the sum of nth term of geometric progression. And I'll be seeing you in our next class.